Hello there again. Do you want to know what is the best Instagram hashtag strategy for 2020? I will share with you my strategy that I've used, and you can see right now some of my results using this strategy. So here's the blueprint for the hashtags that you should use. You can see it right now on your screen. It is 8 hashtags with less than 100k posts, then another 8 hashtags with 100k to 200k posts, 8 hashtags with 200k to 500k posts, and then another 6 hashtags with over 500k posts. And of course, you should always look for the likes that each post get in these hashtags. For example, you go to a hashtag that's relevant to you, like let's say motivation, and then you check the likes that each post has on the top hashtags right there. I will show you more about that right now, where we'll jump right into my laptop to show you the process on how to research and find the hashtags that you want and will use in your posts. Okay, now let's go to my laptop and I will show you how to do the whole process. So here we are now on my laptop, and I will show you how I do the hashtag research for myself and my account. And now let's get into it. First of all, go here in the search bar and search for your hashtags that are relevant for you. For example, I will search for motivation. That is a keyword. If you're in fitness, write fitness or bodybuilding. If you are about cooking, then search about cooking or meals and something like that. Now let's go down here, and as we can see, here is a good motivational message which has only 26k posts. It could be easy to rank. Millionaire motivation, 77k posts. Now let's check this one. This could be a good small hashtag to use, and we go and check for the likes. As we can see, even though that this hashtag has a pretty small amount of posts, it is a small hashtag, we can see that it has a lot of likes. So if you get fewer likes than that, and you get, for example, maybe 500 likes, then it will be very difficult for you to rank here. But if you get 1000 to 3000 likes, then it would be easier for you to rank, so you would use the hashtag. So if you get this kind of amount of likes, then you should use this hashtag. If you get much less likes, for example 0 to 500, 600, then don't use this hashtag. It would be bad for you, because it's like using a hashtag that is huge. So then you have two options. Go to related hashtags and find here the hashtag that you should use, or maybe go again to the search bar and search for another hashtag. But if you're on your phone, you can see here on related hashtags more. I can see only 2 because I'm on my laptop. And let's say we go for success formula. Here on success formula, it has 87k posts, which is again a small hashtag. It is the first thing that you look for, and then you go and look for the likes. As we can see, this one has a lot of likes, this one not so many. So these two have a lot of likes, but the rest are pretty much okay. If you get 5 to 600k to 600 likes, then you can rank on this hashtag. Now let's say here, success addict. We can go check another one. This one has more posts, but it gets fewer likes. So this one is a good hashtag, and I would recommend you using it if you were on motivation. So if you couldn't find like that a good hashtag that you should use, then go again and search for another term, another hashtag, maybe use a different keyword, and then you go and search for another hashtag, which could be, let's say, motivation post. Here it is a small hashtag, and it doesn't get so many likes, so it could be possible for you to rank here. But I think it's the same person who gets to rank here. So yeah, if you see that it's the same person that ranks here, it's difficult to actually win that guy. If you can see, he has a pretty good amount of followers, so it is a little bit difficult to win actually that fight in the ranking. So yeah, never mind, let's go back here, and again you go here and search, for example, success, or maybe success motivation, and whatever you want. So this way you can find the hashtags that you should use, and it's a pretty easy method to do actually, but you will need to dedicate some time into it, maybe 30 minutes or maybe more sometimes. So after you find those 30 hashtags, and yes, we will use all 30 hashtags that Instagram allows us to use, then you should rank your post in the top posts, which could be, I will show you right now. Let's go to motivation, and we'll go here. Never use these huge hashtags, never. It's oversaturated, even though that you can see they don't get so many likes, but don't do it, please. It's very hard to rank here. So you should rank here after you find those hashtags that you will be using, and only one pair of hashtags. Don't find 60 hashtags and use different ones on each post, because Instagram algorithm will not recognize those hashtags. You should use the same and the same. So after you find those 30, you should get early engagement, so you will rank on top posts. So early engagement is the amount of likes, comments and saves you get the first 90 minutes after you upload a picture or a video. So, and actually how you get that early engagement is, first of all, posting at the right times. Find out what times are the best for you to upload, and upload only at those times. So if you go here on your account, you will find the analytics. If you're on your phone, I cannot see the analytics right here. So you will find the analytics, and you will see what times are best for you to post. And when you find those times that are best for you to post, you only upload at those times, because this way you will get more engagement early on. And then the second thing that you should do in order to get that good early engagement is using engagement groups. Not DM groups here on Instagram that you go there and you just actually share a post and no one likes it. You go to Telegram. Telegram is a free messaging app. If you don't know it, Telegram, we can see it here. Telegram Messenger, it says here. And you can download it here on your laptop, and you can download it on your Android, iPhone, iPad, Windows Phone, PC, and whatever else you want. So it's a very good messaging platform which has a lot of engagement groups that are about Instagram. I have another video about that, which will be here or up here or maybe in the description. And immediately after you upload a picture or video, then you go to the Telegram, you go to the free groups that you can find on the internet by searching free Telegram groups, and I have some on the other video in the description. So you go there on the free groups, and the first 90 minutes you go and actually do 4 to 5 groups. Do for some groups for likes and 1 or 2 for comments. It's pretty simple. And after you get a lot of likes and comments in the first 90 minutes, Instagram sees that actually this post is valuable, and Instagram algorithm wants to actually share that post with more and more people. And this way you go to your hashtags, and maybe you rank here on, let's search for something different, success. And let's say you rank here on Success Factory. This sounds nice. And you rank here, which is not what we want, but you get it. So you rank here on the top posts, and each time somebody searches for success, for example, success more, he sees here, oh, here is your post. He goes here, he checks out your profile, he says, hey, I like this. You see, he doesn't have even 1,000 followers. You can do that as well. He says, hey, he has a nice profile. I like his feed, I like his posts. Let's follow him. And boom, he follows him. And that way you can actually get more followers. Really organic. It's 100% organic, and you can get a lot of exposure like that. So that was the video. If you learned something new, and if I helped you with that video, then leave a like down below. If you have any questions, then ask me in the comments below. I will answer you, or maybe create a video about your question. Thank you again a lot for watching. If you like that kind of content, then consider subscribing to my channel, and until the next time, see ya.